Alright guys, got it on off the ramp. What we're putting on, I got a Napa Proformer filter I'm going to put on it. Guys, let me know. I hear a lot of stuff, different guys, doing YouTube stuff, always talking about the oil filters that they use. I normally just buy the Fram filters. I don't know, but I guess I hear so many guys say that they're just crap, that they're made of cardboard inside, and don't use them and don't use them. I don't know. I've never had any problems with it. But then I change the oil on the cars a lot. Even my Tahoe, I don't let them go 5,000 miles without an oil change, like some people do. I change it. I don't even think, I probably shouldn't even have 1,000 miles on this car since I actually got it out, running on the highway and the road. So, 1,000 miles between oil changes. I think a Fram filter, but I got this one just for fun, and it's white, so it matches the car. Cool. So we're gonna put that on, and I've got the Rotunda T4 oil I put in these old cars. That's just what I use in them. Apparently that's the best oil to use. You can put that Valvoline, that special oil they got for the it has all the zinc in it too, but that stuff's pretty expensive. You can buy this Rotella, not Rotunda, Rotella at the Buy Mart store. It's like $16.99 for a 5-quart jug. That's pretty cheap. Then you get like old Derek says, you get all the vitamins and dinosaurs in it. So that's what we're using. So I'm gonna get this on and get some oil in it and see what else we can do. Okay, well, got the filter on. I got 4 quarts of oil in it. Let it run for a little bit, get it all pumped through there, shut it off, and I'll check it, see how much more it takes. I'm not sure if these little engines take 5 quarts or 4, but it's holding 50 pounds of oil pressure on this thing. Normally, when the engine's hot and I'm out on the highway, this holds a steady 40 pounds all the time. In town, out of town, no matter what, it doesn't move off of 40. It doesn't matter how hot it is. Yesterday it was really getting hot out, and 40 pounds oil pressure. So I guess that's probably good. I'll check that and see if we need to dump that other quart in. Well, it does take the 5 quarts to get in there. When I went back in and when I had it running, I revved it up a little bit. It shot up to just a hair over 60 pounds of oil pressure on it, with just a little bit of gas. That's incredible. This engine in here is 100% rebuilt. It's basically a brand new engine. I didn't spare any expense on it at all. I took it into a machine shop and they rebuilt everything on it. It was re-sleeved, you name it, it was done to it. So I think I should be able to get, I don't know, tens of thousands of miles on this thing without ever having any trouble with it. So it's a pretty cool car. I really like it. I just wish the roads here were better. It kind of scares me driving it down the road. It's just so bad, on it. But anyway, okay, I'm just going to clean up a little bit under the hood here, and then I think we're going to be done on this end, and I'm going to flip it around and see what I can find on that drive shaft. Okay guys, I got everything under the hood buttoned up. I decided that since I'm going to get the front end aligned here pretty soon, I'm just going to wait until I bring it in and they put it up, on their rack, their thing, and then I can just go in there and fiddle with the drive shaft and see if there's something wrong with it. I don't feel like trying to back it up here and crawl under there, and you know, you can't see nothing just laying on your back in the dirt. So I'll just wait. When they put it on the rack, they'll let me go in there and fiddle around the drive shaft. They're pretty good company. So I'm going to do that. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this thing a nice bath, vacuum it out. It gets a lot of dust in it from around here, and get it all nice and cleaned up. And then I'm going to switch over, pull the Fairlane over, and put a new water pump in that. So just keep hanging in there, and we'll get this thing just all nice and spit polished here in a little bit. Okay, everybody, we got it all detailed out, cleaned up, ready to go. Still haven't figured out where I want to take it on a road trip, but I got to do something. Let's just do a little quick walk around. I'll show you the whole car, and you know, we can just kind of maybe we'll figure out a place to go. All right, well, there's the front shot, all nice and clean, washed, scrubbed. I got my new plate the other day that I bought for it. I noticed a few things here and there I got to do to kind of ding it up there. A little bit on that reflector, the paint's coming off. Down on the rockers, they're kind of getting chipped up. I'm going to have to get after them one of these days. Here's the inside. Got her all cleaned up, dusted, vacuumed. I don't have the floor mats in yet because I'm going to throw them in the wash machine. The door panels. One of these days I'll probably change those door panels to black. Match the rest of the car. Well, it doesn't really match the rest of the car, but the car's all different colors anyway. Interior is. Factory Ford wheel covers. Got my new special plate the other day. Now I can drive it legally. State of Oregon, you can get, like on a salvage vehicle, you can get a clear title for them. You could, if they're 25 years old, you can put a specialty plate on it. You never have to renew them, ever. They say you're only supposed to take them to special occasions, but they ain't going to pull you over. It won't pull you over unless you're doing something wrong. And then if you get pulled over, you get pulled over. But if you're just driving normal, they can't pull you over for anything. And the way I figure it, if I'm going to go east, north, south, east, or west, I'll just look on my phone and see what's happening in that direction. If a cop pulls me over, I'll just say, I'll go to Washington. There's a car show. What are they going to do about it? Nothing. Well, that's pretty much it. It's pretty roadworthy, I think, right now. Okay, fellas, that's going to be the end for this video. It's been, it's like 10:30 or something, I think, already. I've been out here for 4 hours working on this thing. Man, it takes a lot to detail a car. Well, I changed the oil and cleaned underneath the hood and all that stuff too. But yeah, let's just end this video here. As always, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. All those things really help my channel. I just keep creeping up a little bit every video, so you know, every thumbs up and every smash of that subscribe button really helps. So I do have another video I'm going to start actually this afternoon, so it'll be a while down, a couple days or so at least, on the Fairlane. I'm going to put in a new water pump and detail that car and go through that car, because like I said, I still don't know which car I want to take on the road trip. Well, anyways, everybody have a nice rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.